will you be my Valentine?
How old are you?
I'm 35.
I'm sorry. You're expired. I need standards, not charity cases.
Oh my God!
Listen, everyone, I'm the doctor here.
But you're a bird.
I have a degree. I studied at Harvard. You studied at Hard Luck University.
Doctor, I can't breathe.
That's your problem. Bring in the next patient.
Hey, get away from him! Stop! Go with me! Oh my God, don't do it again! Okay, okay.
Mama.
Baba.
Mama.
Baba.
Papa.
Gente, tá cara a cara com o rei da selva. Valente, hein? Eita!
Meu Deus! Acabou pra ele, fingiu de morto.
Are you trying to murder me? Or just want to ruin my life?
It's just a shot, buddy.
Just a shot? That thing can punch a wall and I still feel it! Officer! You broke my trust!
Honey, you're so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, expired. Ah! She was my everything!
Oh, stop it.
She was sweet, loyal, delicious! Now she's just dessert! Will you marry me?
Hey, that's a cat.
I know, but I like her because I like different tastes! Hello? Hello? Is that right?
That's real.
Right? And there we go. Good morning! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
It's Sunday, please.
Wake up, humans! No more sleep! Breakfast time! Move! 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 No Sunday! Work time! Chop! Chop! Good! Baby awake! Mission complete!
Okay.
Listen, everyone. I'm the doctor here.
But you're a bird.
I have a degree. I studied in Harvard. You studied in Hard Luck.
Doctor, I can't breathe.
Then what should I do?
Buddy, will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, you are expired.
My face is not that bad.
Not that bad. I've seen mummies that look fresher than you.